One of the most noticeable features of the Razor is its enormous graphical display. One might get the idea that the display is merely for aesthetics. Actually, it's quite handy in sculpting sounds, as it actually shows you what the sound through the display of partials is doing. I've gotten into the habit of leaving auto on all the time because when auto is on, the display changes to show you what you're adjusting when you're adjusting it. For example, if I adjust the cutoff of filter 1, notice that the display immediately changes to filter 1, and then it shows me in real time what effect my adjustment has on partials going through filter 1. One thing that's really important to note is that the 3D function does impact performance on your CPU. So if you're already chunking when you load up certain presets, turn this function off. Sure, it's pretty, but the sounds are what's most important. 3D is also a little annoying when you're doing sound design because it tends to blur the image of what's taking place. So in other words, keep it up when you're under the influence, but turn it off when you mean business. You'll also notice that when you adjust the curve of the clipper, you'll get a red line. This line is merely an indicator of the threshold curve and its effect on the partial levels. Note, the curve is only red when the clipper is active. One neat trick when you are working in 3D mode is that you can left-click and drag the 3D perspective. Also, right-click and drag adjust the amount of decay in reference to the 3D traits. Alright, let's move on further into how the Razor is laid out. See you in the next video.